Hello everyone, welcome to Comfy Eating. Today we are going to make the classic scrambled egg recipe that's loaded with bold flavors. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast or a protein-rich snack, this scrambled egg recipe is perfect. For this recipe we will be using 4 eggs. So first let's crack 4 eggs into a bowl. Give it a whisk. To this now we will add the spices, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder and salt to taste. Beat the eggs well until all the spices are fully mixed in. Next we will prepare the veggies. I have used 2 onions, 1 capsicum, 1 piece of ginger and 3 green chilies. Into a kadai add 2 tablespoons of oil and add the chopped green chilies and ginger. Saute for about a minute until you get a nice aroma. Then we will add the finely chopped onions and capsicum. Saute them nicely, allowing them to soften and develop a slight golden color. To this now we will add salt. Now when we add salt, remember that we already added salt to the egg mixture, so add accordingly. Saute till you get a nice golden color. This should take about 4 to 5 minutes. Now once our veggies are done, we will now pour in the egg mixture. Increase the flame to high and we will stir the eggs continuously. Keep sauteing until the eggs are fully cooked and nicely mixed with the veggies. As the eggs start to set, gently break them apart to create soft, fluffy pieces. Make sure these spices are evenly distributed throughout the scramble. Continue cooking until you reach the desired consistency. Now we'll garnish this with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. So our scrambled egg is ready. This dish is packed with spices and fresh veggies, making it a perfect energizing start to your day. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.